7th class. This is the part 3rd video of this chapter, and in this video we will do the exercise and question answer of this chapter. Okay, so let's start. So students, here is given some multiple choice questions. Okay, so first one is given: the role assigned for girls and boys by society is known as. So there is given the three options. First one is inequality, second one gender stereotype, and the casteism. So which one is correct? Inequality. Okay. Second one, the literacy rate among girls is, first option is there, equal to boys, B option is there, higher than boys, and C option is there, lower than boys. So which one is correct? So आपको पता है कि हमारे इंडिया में जो लिटरेसी रेट है among girl is lower than boys. Okay, and third one is there, gender is based on biological differences, social role expected by society, and mental traits. Which one is correct? B option, social role expected by society. And the fourth one is there, in most families the main responsibility of doing household work and taking care of the family lies with women, men, and both. Women. Okay, the next one is given here is given the blanks. Okay, dash is a powerful tool that gives women equal shares in the property of their father. So there are given the three options. The first one, Equal Remuneration Act, second one, Hindu Succession Act, and third one, Rashtriya Mahila Kosh. Which one is correct? So student, B option is there, is correct. The sixth question is there, dash percents of panchayat seats are reserved for women. A option 40%, B 33%, C 50%. So answer is, which one answer is correct? 33%. Now fill in the blanks are there. So first one is given, society assigns different roles for boys and girls. Okay, now come to the next one. Dash describes the difference between men and women based on their social role or behavior expected by the society. So gender inequality you will write. Preference for male child leads to female infanticide. You will write infanticide. Okay. So the next one, the dash and nutrition of girls, especially in rural areas, is given less importance. So education you will write. The next one, the dash of India prohibits discrimination based on gender. So students, Constitution. So students, the correct spelling of Constitution. Okay, right. So now C part is there. Explain the term in one or two sentences. So first one is given, gender. Okay, so students, gender. So now answer is there, gender. Differences between men and women based on their social role or behavior. Okay, so you will note down. Next one is given there, B, gender inequality. So answer is there. Gender inequality means an unequal treatment given to individuals based on their gender. Okay, note down. Discrimination. Discrimination means भेदभाव जो किया जाता है, अंतर समझा जाता है. सो यहाँ हम बात कर रहे हैं जेंडर में कि एक मैन और वीमेन के बीच क्या डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है. सो यहाँ पर हम सिर्फ इस टर्म को एक्सप्लेन करेंगे कि व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, अनफेयर ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ अ पर्सन और ग्रुप ऑफ पर्सन्स. ओके, इसका मतलब है कि या तो दो लोगों के बीच में किसी बात के लिए भेदभाव किया जाना, या एक ग्रुप होता है पर्सन्स का, यानी कि एक के साथ अच्छा बिहेवियर और दूसरे के साथ गलत। ओके, सो दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन। नाउ द नेक्स्ट डी पार्ट इज देयर, स्टीरियोटाइप। सो स्टूडेंट्स, स्टीरियोटाइप, a preconceived notion or idea which may not be true। देखो स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने आपको प्रीवियस वीडियो में भी बताया था कि स्टीरियोटाइप मीन्स क्या होता है। ये एक बहुत पहले की जो हम धारणा बनाई हुई है सोसाइटी में, उसको दिमाग में रख के चलते हैं, चाहे वो गलत भी क्यों ना हो। ओके, इसका मतलब क्या है कि देखो, इसमें बॉयज़ को ज़्यादा प्रेफरेंस दिया जाता है इन कंपैरिजन ऑफ गर्ल्स। उसको ज़्यादा ये समझा जाता है कि यही हर काम कर सकते हैं, चाहे वो घर का हो या बाहर का हो। ओके, तो ये स्टीरियोटाइप का मतलब यही है कि सोसाइटी में एक ऐसी धारणा बना ली गई है बहुत पहले से ही, जो कि सही चाहे नहीं है, फिर भी उसी को लोग मानते हैं हमारी सोसाइटी में। ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, डी पार्ट्स इज देयर, आंसर द फॉलोइंग। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज देयर, व्हाट डज द टर्म जेंडर मीन? Okay, so I am writing the answer, you will note down from the blackboard. Gender, answer 1 is there, gender is a socially acquired trait that describe the difference between men and women based on their social role or behavior, expected by the society. Okay, so this one is the answer, you will note down in your notebook. Okay, now second question is there, what do you mean by the term gender inequality? So answer is there, answer second is there, gender inequality is the idea that men and women are not equal and gender affects an individual's living experience. Okay, so this one is the answer. So the students, the third question is there, give 3 examples of gender stereotyping. So answer is there, so answer third is there, there are 3 examples of gender stereotyping. So first one is men are strong and do all work. इसमें समझा जाता है कि सिर्फ मैन है वही स्ट्रॉन्ग है और सारे काम वही कर सकते हैं. एंड द सेकेंड वन, गर्ल्स आर नॉट गुड at sports. And then third one, men are the backbone. backbone का मतलब आप समझ सकते हो, इन्हीं को ही सिर्फ स्ट्रॉन्ग समझा जाता है. ओके, सो दीज आर द 3 एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ जेंडर स्टीरियोटाइपिंग. सो स्टूडेंट्स, the fourth one question is there, give 3 examples of gender inequality in the family. So answer is there. So answer fourth is there. So the first example, the birth of a boy in the family is a matter of joy. But the birth of a girl does not give that kind of happiness. And the second one, grown up boys are allowed to stay out longer than their sister. Preference for male child leads to many cases. Okay, so this one is the answer. So now fifth question is there, how are women discriminated in society? Answer fifth is there, research shows gender discrimination mostly favor of man in many realms including the workplace. The work and role played by the women is given less importance. Than the work of than the work or role played by men. Okay, so this one is the answer. So now the next 6 question is there कि what is meant by phrase equal pay for equal work. So answer is there. So answer 6 students, equal pay for equal work is the concept of labor right that individual in the same workplace be given equal pay. Okay, this one is the answer. So seventh question is there. What is the impact of gender inequality? So answer is there. Answer 7th. Gender inequalities have an impact on India's sex ratio, preference for male child leads to many cases of female infanticide and female foeticide. Okay, and the health education of girls, health, nutrition and medical care, and medical care of is given less importance. So this one is the answer. So now student, 8th question is there. Name some initiative undertaken by the government to empower women. So the 8th answer, initiatives undertaken by the government to empower women are Hindu Succession Act 2005. The government has set up Anganwadis or child centers to help women to take up employment outside the home. बेटी बचाओ अभियान राष्ट्रीय महिला कोष (33% of पंचायत positions are reserved for women. Okay, so this one is the answer. Students, E part is there. People choose to educate their sons more than their daughters. Give reasons. So answer is there. In our society, people are given more importance to their son that they will be ahead in every field. People understand that boys can go out to work better than girls, There is only a suppressed thought. The B part is there. Men are given preference in promotion to senior positions. So answer is there. Students, answer is there. Even in promotion to senior positions, men are given preference as it is felt that so I am again repeating, students, even in promotion to senior positions, men are given preference as it is felt that the female employees will be preoccupied with their families and children. So student, this one is our chapter over. I think you got it. So all students, you will write all these question answer in your fair notebook, okay, and learn. One more students, in your notebook given these questions, give 5 examples of gender inequality that you have observed in your home or around. So ये आपको खुद राइट करना है कि आपने क्या जेंडर इनइक्वालिटी अपने आसपास देखी है या अपनी फैमिली में भी देखी हो, ओके, मैन और वीमेन के बीच आपको यहाँ राइट करनी है. सो यू हैव टू राइट योरसेल्फ, ओके, एंड देयर इज अ गिवन बॉक्स. यहाँ पर ये बॉयज़ और गर्ल्स क्या है, सबसे पहले हम इसको पढ़ लेते हैं. राइट द नेम्स ऑफ टॉयज़ एंड गेम्स यू प्लेड विद व्हेन यू वर यंगर. कंपेयर द लिस्ट विद यू क्लासमेट्स. यू विल अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस योरसेल्फ. आपको ये खुद राइट करनी है ऑब्जर्व करके, ओके. टॉयज़ नेम यहाँ पे राइट करना है. जब आप छोटे थे तो बॉयज़ को कौन से टॉयज़ दिए जाते थे और गर्ल्स को कौन से, और उस लिस्ट को कंपेयर करके यू हैव टू राइट, ओके. सो नाउ स्टूडेंट, आवर चैप्टर इज ओवर, ओके. कीप रीडिंग.